Hey, we are in a pretty fresh install of Windows 11 dev environment. Um, it is a Hyper-V, so it may look a little different from your standard desktop install, but for the most part, I think it's the same. I discovered earlier I can go to like the Windows menu and type VSCode, for instance, and I think this will be from the Windows Store if I click on that one. This site is trying to open Microsoft Store. All right. We can install it right from here. It's probably the best way to go. Right out. Installed, it says. I guess we can try to close that. Close it up. And then let's go back to our start menu. Try VS Code again. VS Code. There it is. And here we go. That's it. You have it installed. Next video we do something a little cooler, but I suggest you just play around. My next video to I don't know, try one of these languages. We'll figure it out.